Got my first order as soon as I launched the apps. This is gonna be McDonald's, $8 going 4 miles.
For a whole month I lost the pay because of her.
Excuse me, is that 503?
What's the code?
503.
Can I see it? Thank you.
Hello. There you are. Thank you. Have a good one. Next order up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one's gonna be $7 and some change, going about 4.5 miles. Oh, of course it's upstairs. Next order up, we've got a Carl's Jr. This one's gonna be $8 and some change, going just under 5 miles. Well, I see emergency lights up ahead. Hopefully I can squeeze into there, but it's not looking promising. Nope. Oh my God. Guess I should have followed the GPS because it was taking me around the longer way. Is this even worth it anymore? Not really. No, we're not doing this one. Sorry, Jake, but you're not getting your food today. Well, that was a lovely waste of gas and time. All right, let's give this one a shot. I'm really hoping for the best here, but this Taco Bell has screwed me over so many times. This is gonna be $9 going 5 miles. Let's go ahead and try the drive-through.
Good morning, how are you? One more second. There we go. Have a good day.
You as well, thank you. This one is going really far away in a direction that I shouldn't be in. Oh boy. All right, I finally got my next order. This one is gonna be for Starbucks, $8 going 4 miles.
Good morning, it's sir for you.
You as well, thank you.
Thanks, man.
Yep, have a good one. Got my next order as soon as I pulled into my spot. This is gonna be a shop and deliver for Walgreens, $14 and change for 7 miles, only one item. Really hope it's in stock, cause pretty good order. Ooh, pregnancy test. That'll do it. Okay. This one? Yep. Should I say good luck getting whatever result you're looking for in the little drop-off note? I feel like that's too much. I'll just shut up. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's gonna be $7.25 going 4 miles.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for PetSmart. This one is $8 going 4 miles, only one item.
Hi, welcome.
Hello. This? Call when you're here, thank you. I'd rather not, but I guess I can do that. There you are.
Thank you.
Yep, you have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. 0 tip on that, huh? Yeah, I'm glad I didn't get out of my car for that. Looks like we have another shop and deliver for PetSmart. This one's gonna be $9.50 going 5.5 miles, only one item. Is it this? Yes, it is. $9.50 with 0 tip. Love that. Glad I'm in the middle of nowhere right now. Next up, we've got a stack. I believe it's going to the same person. I got a shot for alcohol, and then I think I gotta go pick up some Burger King. But this one's gonna be $17 going about 5 miles. Should be pretty good if everything goes smoothly. Morning.
I can take care of you down here. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize you were up here. Okay, good.
Thank you. All right, luckily this is going to the same person, so this should be a good order after all.
My apologies.
Here, let me hand you this food.
Thank you. Grab this.
And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me.
Thank you.
Have a good day. All right, I just got my next orders. This is gonna be a stack going to the same person. This is gonna be Taco Bell and Gravity Coffee. $11.50 going less than 4 miles.
Here is Andrew for you.
Well, that took forever. And I just realized I'm going to Gravity Coffee, so they're not gonna have the drinks ready for me. Gonna have to pretty much order it as soon as I get there, so even more of a wait for me. Love that. Thank you.
Yeah, how are we doing today?
You too. That Taco Bell bag was definitely melting. So good luck picking that one up, because I got sauce all over my finger as soon as I left. Not my problem. I think I might just call it right here. Current time is 11:52. Current total is 105. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.